Hello everyone, my name is Tim, and you are probably gonna be deaf after that. Or deaf. I think it's probably deaf. I don't know. Um, so here we are, a newly installed VirtualBox. What are we gonna take a look at this time? Well, I usually do programming videos or my Let's Play, which, sorry, I haven't been putting up for a while. But there's not a lot of people following it, like one or two, so anyway, we're gonna make a new, and we're gonna take a look at elementary OS, Linux, Ubuntu 64-bit, because it's based off Ubuntu, so I believe that's what we're going to use. Next, I'm gonna give it 4 gigs of RAM, because if we take a look at my beast CPU, I have 8 cores of 4.03 gigahertz. It says it's the highest, but I have the turbo mode enabled. Memory, I have 8 gigs, so we're fine. 4 gigs? Sure. I'm gonna create a new hard drive. Just gonna do this. Create. Done. Start. Now, we're gonna choose the ISO that we downloaded. Here, Elementary OS. Start. Now please work now, because last time I did this... Don't show this. Yeah, it does. Don't show this message again. Capture. Last time I did this... Come on! It wouldn't start. You wanna know why? Because I didn't have virtualization enabled in BIOS. But here we are, getting ready. This is, as I said, beta 2, and can you please just stop jumping around? Switch to full screen. Don't show this again. Switch. Thank you. So, now the question is if you can see this. You should be able to. I'll just go back, just to be sure. So, here it is. We are going to install, because I'm gonna show you how to install this. Has at least 4.4 gig. Yes. Is connected to internet. Yes. Installed third-party software. I guess most of you do, to be able to listen to MP3 and such. I think it installs Flash and that too, so it's pretty handy. Anyway, just gonna continue here. You can already see that we have the desktop bar and stuff. So, how's our processor doing? Not too bad. I'll leave this out here for now. While we're waiting for this. Erase disk. This computer currently has no detected operating system. What would you like to do? We would like to do that. We would like to copy, or we would like to occupy the whole what's it called? Hard drive with elementary OS. Yes, I live in Sweden, but not in Stockholm, but that's our main city, so that's for the time. Keyboard layout. Well, I live in Sweden, so I'm pretty sure I have a Swedish keyboard layout. Swedish, continue. Username, we'll just do no, you know what? Let's just do Tim. Password. Yeah, we'll keep that pass. Too short? Password. Yeah, password as password. Not recommended. continue. And we're still at the installation, remember. I often do my background change, by the way, because I don't think it's been changing a lot right now. Desktop background every 30 minutes. Every minute. Shuffle. Thank you. So yeah, I'll be back when something happens. Something interesting happens. But for then, oh look, it might be. I might not need to pause this. I don't know if you can see this bar, but it's going pretty quick. So about 10-15 seconds left. Don't feel that it's worth pausing for that. So it's a really lightweight system, and it does speed up a lot. I've been my mom, she ran Windows 7 on her PC, and she was so frustrated because she couldn't use her laptop because Windows took so much power. And I said, hey, you know what? I'm gonna install Linux for her. And she thought, like probably 90% of the population, that Linux is a command line. It's basically a black window with text. And I said, no, that's not how it is. And I showed Elementary. I showed Ubuntu. I think I showed Soren or something like that as well. But she decided, I want this, just because it's clean, it's fast, it's powerful. It have all the benefits from Ubuntu, but it does bring its own as well. Like, it's really a lot more faster than Ubuntu. And yeah, it's still a beta, so I'm looking forward to the release. Configure hardware. Whoa, we're using a lot of RAM. 5.6 gig. That's a pretty decent amount. You know what? Let's put on some background music. Something a little discreet. Oh, sorry. I remembered. The way I'm gonna. Yeah, sorry. I can't talk with music in the background. The way I'm gonna render this isn't going to include the PC sound, so I'm sorry about that. Really installing system and a skip button. I will not click on that button. Doesn't seem too good. Installation complete. Restart. And yeah, I think it's in a completely other PC because it's virtualized. So when it says like restart or anything like that, yeah, please remove installation media and close the tray if any, and then press enter. Devices CD and OS. I think that's all you do. Remove disk from virtual drive. I'm just gonna press enter. And we should boot right up into Elementary. Yeah. So here's the start screen. Really nice looking. I'm gonna see if I can, you know, update the screen resolution once we get in here. Yeah, so here's the lock screen. It's really nice. Guest 10, yes, 10. Yeah, so we had, you can see it's Tuesday, May the 7th, and it's 11:30 a.m. So I'm just gonna log in here. Password. And I don't know if you can see these animations, but it's pretty nice. And it's a lot smoother once you run it. I can't speak today. If you run it on actually run it on the PC, not virtualizing and recording at the same time, I'd bet it'd be a lot more quicker. So anyway, let's jump right into system settings, because I want to find this place. Okay. I'm already at the max resolution. Well, yeah, I can do that. So they changed this. Let's go to their website. Yeah, this looks fine. So, here's defaults. You can check out web browser, Midori, email client, gear and mail, calendar, yeah, video player, movie player, music, which name was sound before, I think. Incomplete language, or yeah, anyway. Image viewer, Shotwell. Text editor, Scratch. Files browser, Files. Software Center, if you've been using Ubuntu before, you'll be happy to see this. Yeah, as you can see, it's basically the Ubuntu Software Center. Nothing to worry about. And what more? We have Midori as our web browser, and it's pretty fluid. And come on, I want to scroll. Doesn't look like the scroll is working. Anyway, discover here, learn more. So, since elementary is used and developed by people from all over the world, it only makes sense for us to focus on making it available in as many languages as possible. After Beta 1 was released, we were pleasantly surprised to see a huge translation team springing up out of nowhere. So yeah, they put on more language stuff, and yeah, here you go. On off was changed to this. Folders were changed. So I want to drag this around and see if I can open files anywhere. Well, I guess that's time to show you this then. This is your applications menu. And you have this, you have accessories, graphics, internet, office, sound and videos, and system tools. You have all of this. But then you have this grid pattern, which I think is pretty neat. But what I was after was files. So, you can see it's very Mac inspired with the folders, how they look and stuff. Let's take a look here. About Pentium files 0.1. Translate this up. Oh, nice. And preferences, yeah, you see here, extensions. So there will be extensions later on. Date format, ISO, mouse auto selection, no. So right now it's just one click to go into folders, but I don't like that since I come from Windows. So I'm gonna disable that. I can just click normal and double click to enter. Now you have the list view as well, where you can expand folders, but yeah. Then you have the Mac version, which I've only seen in Mac until now, which Elementary have implemented. Is this kind of column view, or yeah, I guess you could call it that. So it's pretty pretty damn nice file manager, I must say. So, what more? We just took a look at the icons. Unrelated apps. Shotwell has been updated. Midor has been updated, it seems like. Geary has been updated. I might as well show you that. So, this is your gear mail. Name, team, email address. I'm not gonna fill this in right now. But, yeah. You could see that. And it's pretty nice. You have empathy. I might as well show you how to set this up with your Facebook. So, first name. Yeah, we'll do skip. What you do when you add your Facebook, it's gonna ask for your username, and that is not your name. You go to your Facebook address and you check what it says after facebook.com/, and then you have a, like me, I set my own, so you add power fag. That's what I got. And yeah, it was a joke until I realized, hey, I can't change from this. So I've become a little bit sad then. The terminal was updated. We implemented bug fixes, improved customizability. So let's open the terminal and take a look. Control-Alt-T. Customizability? Okay. I can't see much of that right here. But I think they restyled it. I don't think it was this transparent before. So that's nice. I like seeing changes for the better. So, how to help, report bugs. Yeah, here's the download. 64-bit beta. And I think I'm gonna install this actually on my PC as a dual boot. I have Ubuntu right now, but I'm not that pleased. Honestly, I just don't like Unity. I don't know why. I've given it a good chance to show what it got, but I don't like it. That's the way it is. So, noise have changed name to music right now. I think that was because a lot of people didn't actually find the music app. Sound, you have your music. They implemented sound settings here, and you have all this stuff, and it's really nice animations on everything. That's for sure. Calendar, did we take a look at that? No, we didn't. So you can do this, select calendar, I believe this, create new event, just add your event, create it, and it will be put here. So, really nice calendar actually. Yeah, Midori. Let's check if they have Flash installed from the beginning. An easy way to do that, youtube.com. Let's just search up something. Music. Yeah, we'll do that. We'll go into full mode. Gentleman. This video is currently unavailable. Oh, that's sad. Let's take a look at this one then. Yeah, it looks like iTunes. No, Flash comes pre-installed. So, that's pretty nice. And it's, yeah, as I said, it would probably be a lot more smooth if I wasn't virtualizing this, sadly. How about desktop wallpapers? Customizability. System settings. You can see there is no right click menu on the desktop. Everything is made here. So you have additional drivers here, for example. Keyboard, mouse and touchpad, power, Ooh. I could do an activate here. I have password. Downloading and installing driver. So this might help me ramp up the resolution. Hopefully. Come on. Now, the main reason I like Linux distros is because they're so lightweight. And when I'm working with, let's say, bucket plugins, Minecraft bucket plugins, I'm having the development environment, 2 Minecraft clients, and 1 Minecraft server up and running. And I mean, that's kind of a lot of stress on the PC. Yeah, so now that's in here. Let's close this. But hey, I just did that. But I clicked 2 times on it, so let's check display now. No, I can still not do that. Power printer sound. What's in sound settings? Yeah, you have your basic stuff here. Bluetooth, date and time, universal access. Here's the user count. So here's where you change your picture and stuff. So if I were to choose, let's choose this. Nah, I don't really like that. I'm gonna go with this, I think. And let's go get some nice wallpaper. Where's this displays? Here, desktop. So here lies a lot of stuff. Hot corners, dock, all that kind of stuff. And I want to have a nice nature wallpaper. This looks nice. This is pretty nice. My mom uses this. So here's that one. The dock. Icon size. I'm gonna drag that down a bit. There's a small delay on this, but that's to be expected. Theme. Pantheon. Transparent. Ooh, I like that. Hot corners. Do nothing, do nothing. Let's say down on the right will be show workspace overview. Let's see if I can make. There we go. So you can take windows and drag them around like this. And I just need to get back. So I'll just close this and it will turn back here. I will enter that again because I believe that's quicker than trying to get back. So desktop, dock, no, hot corners. So that's the workspace. And then you can have like Windows overview, up here in the right corner, I believe. Show all windows, maybe it is. Yeah, there we go. So if you had multiple windows, like this, I believe would be pretty standard setup. You get this. So they have really nice animations and everything, and it's really smooth. That's what I like about this OS. If we take a look at, I wonder if they had the system monitor in system. Hey, I tried to write, but I didn't like that. So the map doesn't look like that. Yeah, but that's gotta be my review for the Elementary OS. If you've liked it, I hope you leave a like, maybe a favorite, maybe a comment. I could do better next time, what was good this time, stuff like that would be pretty helpful. You know, good criticism overall. So again, I changed my wallpaper and stuff here. If I log out, you'll see on the lock screen it will actually show my wallpaper and my picture. So that's a bit nice. Password. We'll log in. And yes, it is a bit buggy because it's virtualized. But I ran the beta 1 and I didn't find any bug at all. So that's pretty nice. Yeah, the dock crash sometimes, now when I think about it. And the shutdown screen is, yes, I do want to shut down. This is the shutdown screen. So it's really basic, really clean OS. That's for sure. Yeah. That will be the review. Thanks for watching. And yeah, as I said, leave a like, comment, favorite, subscribe, whatever. Would be much appreciated. But yeah. Thanks for this time. See you all next time. Bye.